Frankford, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story ranch-style home with 2 huge covered porches with long-range views on 23.55 acres, built in 2001. Public water, new HVAC system installed 2021, appliances new laminate flooring, new lighting, paint, high-speed Frontier and T-Mobile internet. Available: ATV trails, 2 streams, 1 spring, great mini farm. Lots of hunting, wildlife, good access and very private.Nice, laying land with some open and some wooded. Neat, clean and move it ready. Tons of potential.